welcome to Naturally Corporate. I'm so glad you tuned in to this video today. All right, I'm pretty sure I'm late to the party on this one, but I was just made aware that Alicia Keys, the songstress, the beautiful Miss Alicia Keys, has a skincare line. And I know that a few years ago she started her makeup-free journey. So it could have been all around the same time that she started her makeup-free journey that she launched Keys Soulcare. And just like I wasn't really aware of this product line, and I say wasn't really aware because in the back of my mind, I want to say I did hear something about it, but I didn't hear anything else about it. But I was not aware of the Keys Soulcare line, so I figured some of you may not be aware as well, so I wanted to show them to you. Now, the two products I have are the ones that will most benefit my skin, or what my skin needs, I believe, but there is a full range of skincare and soul care products on the Keys Soulcare website. So the two products I have the Golden Cleanser, and it has Manuka honey and turmeric, and then I also have the Skin Transformation Cream. And I have not used these. I have not even opened them, so this will definitely be a first impressions. All right, so before I cleanse my face, we're going to take a look at these. So the packaging is really pretty. And this is the cleanser. It's really nice. The Golden Cleanser, and this has Manuka honey and turmeric. Very pretty bottle with a pump there. And it smells really nice, and it's clear. Not sure if you can see that, but yeah, it's clear. The bottle is purple, I believe, but the cleanser itself is clear. And as far as the moisturizer, all right, so here is the moisturizer. Skin Transformation Cream, which is a moisturizer. And what I noticed is that on the back of each item, and also on the website, every single product has an affirmation. That's what you call it. And the one on the Skin Transformation Cream says, "I welcome all circumstances as catalysts for change." Pretty nice. And on the cleanser, this affirmation says, "I am devoted to this moment." So I think that's really neat. It is skincare, but it's also soul care, just as the product line is named. So yeah, if you look on the soul care website, every single product has an affirmation listed under it. So I'm going to relocate to my bathroom so I can be in front of the mirror. I think that's where we all cleanse our faces, not in a spare room. So I'm going to go ahead and cleanse my face and talk to you about it as I go along. All right, so I am about to cleanse my face with the Keys Soulcare Golden Cleanser, and the directions just say to pump it into wet hands and work into a gentle lather. So I'm getting that going right now. The cleanser is nice and light. It's not thick, and it lathers up very well. As you can see, it just lathered right away. I added a little bit more to make sure I had enough to cover my forehead, and I added a little bit more to put on my neck. So just using my hands and fingers, it just feels so good. I think next time though, I'll use my spin brush because that just feels really good too. So I'm rubbing, massaging. Now, if you notice here, the product is practically all dried up. I think that's because I maybe rubbed too vigorously or something. Anyway, I just re-wet my hands and applied a little bit more cleanser. And y'all, I know I'm doing some serious rubbing, but I just really wanted to get whatever oil and dirt off my skin so that it would be nice and clean. All right, so looking at the packaging, it says this was developed in partnership with a board-certified dermatologist, and it is infused with soothing turmeric and chamomile to help remove makeup, dirt, and impurities, leaving the skin feeling cleansed, soft, and refreshed. I'm rinsing with warm water per the directions, and I will say my skin definitely feels clean. It looks really good. and it's pretty soft. I'm just kind of feeling it all over, and it does feel really soft and refreshed. All right, so my skin does feel nice and clean, but I can tell it's time for a moisturizer too. It almost feels a little bit dry. So I've got the Skin Transformation Cream, and looking at the back of the box, it says to gently massage into cleansed skin using circular motions. Apply to face and neck morning and night. So that's exactly what we're going to do. All right, so there's the cream. I keep calling it a cream. Yeah, Skin Transformation Cream. It is a cream, but it's also a moisturizer. So there's the consistency of it. Maybe almost kind of like a Pond's cold cream for any of you ladies in your 40s and up who might be familiar with Pond's cold cream. Or maybe even one of the Oil of Olay creams. But I didn't use a whole lot, but I need to use a little bit more to make sure I cover my neck. So getting a little bit more. And this is scentless. It does not have a scent, which is fine. Sometimes I do like for my products to have a nice gentle scent or no scent at all, so that it won't linger and hang with me all day. Okay, I still need a little bit more. Going in with a little bit more to get my forehead. And I always really try to make sure I moisturize my forehead. I have horrible lines that I absolutely hate. I hate my forehead lines. And I have thought about getting Botox. I thought about it. My family says, like my sisters and my mother and my husband too, they say they have never even noticed my forehead lines. And that's really sweet. And I know they're telling me the truth, but we're always very critical of our own selves. And I hate those forehead lines. So I always moisturize, smooth, and baby my forehead lines. If I woke up one day and they were gone, I would be so happy. I feel like they make me look mean, like unnecessarily mean, and I'm not mean. Oh, and this too, I hate that. I hate that. My dermatologist told me that Botox would fix this and the forehead lines. So I don't know. All right, so I've got all of the Skin Transformation Cream in, and this is, let me tell you how much you get in this jar. So the Skin Transformation Cream is 1.76 ounces, so it's not super big. It's not really big at all. And I had to go in, 3 times just to get enough for my comfort to cover my entire face, neck, and forehead. I think I went in 3 times. I mean, I didn't put a dent in it. Take that little lid off. I didn't even really put a dent in it, but still, if I have to use it, if I have to go in 3 times, you know, I can see where it may last a few months. And the size of the cleanser is 5.75 ounces, so it's a lot bigger. It's a lot bigger. All right, so how does my skin feel? Well, first of all, it does feel clean, and right now it feels really soft, so I like it. The cleanser as well as the Skin Transformation Cream, I'm just gonna call it moisturizer from here on out. This is the moisturizer, the Skin Transformation Cream. Both of the products are very light, and I like that the cleanser has a really nice scent, but it doesn't linger, washes completely off, and I felt like my face was cleansed. It felt really really smooth going on or kind of mild and gentle. It felt gentle going on. It didn't feel harsh and rough. And I will say, I mean, of course I had to, the directions on the back of the box say to apply, to pump it into wet hands, which is exactly what I did. I just followed the directions, but I had to keep re-wetting my hands in order to re-wet my face to keep that lather going, because the cleanser was drying up on my face. Not a big deal. I think next time what I'll do, since I know how it works now, I will wet my face more, or I might even just pump it onto my washcloth and apply it to my face that way, because the washcloth holds in much more water. So I think I'll do that. But it was very gentle and mild. I know that the Manuka honey is, honey rather, is great at helping create moisture or keeping that moisture in. So I'm looking forward to that. And turmeric, I've had other products that had turmeric in them. I know it's a great antioxidant and has all these great properties and brightening properties. So first impressions of the cleanser and the skin transformation cream or the moisturizer, I like them for my skin. I don't have problematic skin, thank goodness. So go to the Soul Keys website to see everything else that is there to choose from. There's candles. The candle is a little bit expensive though, and I just didn't need a candle. I wanted the skincare. So I like the way my skin feels as I'm talking. It feels very loose and very soft. So I like that. I like that a lot. It doesn't feel tight. You know how you use some cleansers and your skin feels tight? I don't feel that way. So first impressions, I think this combo is great. The cleanser and the skin transformation cream. And I am going to continue to use these over the next few weeks. And hopefully I will still continue to love these products. Let me know if you've tried the Alicia Keys Soul Care line, and if you have, what did you think about it? And let me know which products you have. All right, friends, thank you so much for tuning in today. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.